So, good afternoon, students. How are you? I think all of you fine there, and I am also fine here. Myself, Amit Kumar Rawat, Assistant Professor of RIT Roorkee, Roorkee Institute of Technology, Roorkee, in Department of Management. I have done my specialization in international business. So, whenever students try to go through the IB, then all of the students want to select a particular concept is export, import, financing, and the documentation. So whenever you try to study the concept of export, import, procedure and documentation, and export, import, financing, and documentations, then you will study the concept of EXIM. So in EXIM you have also discussed about of EOU. So today I will deliver the information about of a particular topic EOU, Export Oriented Unit. This particular topic is also important in a paper of IB as an international business. So today I will deliver a detailed information about of EOU. So watch this video from beginning to the end easily and carefully because a lot of important information is to be included in this video. So first of all, I will deliver the information about of EOU. So what is the meaning of a EOU? This scheme was introduced by Ministry of Commerce in 1980. It was introduced as a complementary scheme to the EPZ introduced in the 60s, which had not attracted many units due to location restrictions. Means the purpose of this scheme was basically to boost exports by creating additional production capacity with certain minimum value addition. Okay, so this is a scheme which is developed by Ministry of Commerce in 1980 for boosting up the export concept, for boosting up the export promotions. Clear? So whenever you try to study the concept of export processing, export oriented unit, then you discussed the detailed information about of EOU. So in the same queue, you have studies the concept of objectives of the EOU scheme. Because of this scheme is especially developed for the export promotion, for boosting the export concept, especially in India and different countries. So a lot of objectives is to be, so some objectives are listed here. The first one to increase exports, second one is earn foreign exchange to the country, transfer of latest technologies. Next is to generate additional employment, and the next is stimulate direct foreign investment. Next is domestic labor law is applicable and free to select the location of a project. These are the basic objectives. Then after a particular point is came out, obligation of EOU. So I think all of you are aware with the concept of obligation because of if you select the specialization of international business in your management, then you know the meaning of obligation of EOU. Because by the help of this video I will inform you, or I will inform to all of you, the specialization of IB is a unique thing because nowadays the concept of an international business is very, 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 very important. So if all of you go through it, then you achieve your success. So if you want to achieve your success, then you go through the concept of international business. Then after we have discussed about a obligation of EOU. So the first one is the EOUs are required to achieve positive net foreign exchange earning. Means NFE. NFE shall be calculated cumulatively for a period of 5 years from the date of commencement of production. Input output norms to be maintained as per FTP foreign trade policy on the resultant product. Clear? So the obligation of EOU, I think you clearly understand this topic. Then after we go to the concept of benefits of EOU. So what are the benefits? A lot of benefits is available for EOU. Some of them is given here. The first one is all the imports to units are customs duty free. Second one is exemption from central excise duty for the procurement of capital goods and raw material from domestic market. And another benefit is the 100% of foreign equity is permissible and no restriction on external commercial borrowings and full freedom for subcontracting. So a lot of benefits is available. So some of is listed here. So please watch this video carefully and also try to read the given information which is given in the video. Today I will try to deliver the information with audio and visual PPTs, visual slides. Okay, so you also try to see the slides, to read the slides and listen the audios clearly. And a lot of benefits is available here, so benefits are continued. Then after we have discussed about major sectors in EOU. So a lot of sectors included in EOU: granite, textiles, food processing, coffee, computer software, chemicals, jewelries, pharmaceuticals, engineering goods, and so on. So these are the major sectors in EOQ. Then after the question arises, what are the eligibility criteria for EOU? So I want to deliver this information. What are the eligibility criteria? So some criterias are: the first one, an EOU can be set up by any entrepreneur for manufacturing of goods and also for rendering services. And the second point is an EOU can be set up for repair, reconditioning, remaking and re-engineering also. The next point, an EOU unit is required to achieve only positive net foreign exchange earning over a period of 5 years, and trading activity is not allowed in the EOU scheme. So these are the following eligibility criteria which is required in EOU. Then after, what are the basic requirements for setting up an EOU? So the first one is planning your venture. Second is what product do you intend to manufacture? And the technology is to be used, feasibility report or the financing involved. Then after, a lot of features is available here. So what are the silent features of EOU? So a lot of silent features is available for EOU, but some of them are here. No license required for import. Exemptions from central excise duty is procurement of capital goods, raw materials, consumables, spares, and so on from the domestic market. Reimbursement of central sales tax paid on domestic purchases. 100% foreign direct investment permissible and exchange earners foreign currency amount. These are the silent features and the sum of more silent features to be continued here. So please read carefully. Okay, so by the help of this video, I will deliver the detailed information about of EOU. So please read carefully and watch carefully. And if you like this video, then you subscribe it, like it, and pushing a bell icon. Thank you.